Nice. You're trying to? Well, maybe you should try a little bit harder. Okay, as long as you're gonna try.
I think we got it. I think we got it, Paula. These kids shouldn't even be in production, right? So, we've made this big...
You put your beak around my finger because you were going to bite me. Yes, you did. Well, you fell the frog, you jumped. We'll do it. We'll see how that turns out for you. I know you're sorry.
I'm not mad at you, you're mad at me. You broke the hole in my shirt. You broke the hole in my shirt.
I know, man.
Why are you... Okay, I'm sorry. Kristen, you broke the hole in my...
Look, you're not coming over here. You're not. Don't do... Bentley, watch out. I gotta put my feet up. Hey! Get out of here! No! Well, stop! Why do you want to fight?